Fratelli Tutti, Chapter 3, Envisaging and Engendering an Open World. In this chapter, Pope Francis challenges us to break down our walls and create a world without borders, a vision of universal communion. Human beings are so made that they cannot live, develop, and find fulfillment except in the sincere gift of self to others. Nowadays, our noblest social instincts can easily be thwarted by self centered chats that give the impression of being deep relationships. Many persons with disabilities feel that they exist without belonging. The elderly, too, are sometimes considered a burden, yet each of them is able to offer a unique contribution to the common good through their remarkable life stories. St. Bonaventure said that all other virtues without charity, strictly speaking, do not fulfill the commandments the way God wants them to be fulfilled. Not to share our wealth with the poor is to rob them. The riches we possess are not ours but theirs as well. When we provide the needy with their basic needs, we are giving them what belongs to them, not to us. I cannot reduce my life to relationships with a small group, even my own family. Close groups and self absorbed couples tend to be expressions of selfishness. Hospitality is a specific way of rising to the challenge of an encounter with those outside one's own circle. Since we are made for love, there is no life when we claim to be self sufficient and live as islands. For this reason, man always has to take up the challenge of moving beyond himself. The spiritual stature of a man's life is measured by love, which in the end remains a criterion for the definitive decision about life's worth or the lack of thereof. By its very nature, love calls for growth and openness and the ability to accept others as part of a continuing adventure that makes every periphery converge in a greater sense of mutual belonging. Care for our common home, our planet, is that spark of universal consciousness. Those who enjoy a surplus of water, yet choose to conserve it for the sake of the greater human family, have attained a moral stature that allows them to look beyond themselves. How marvelously human! We can aspire to a world that provides land, housing, and work for all. For if all people are my brothers and sisters, and if the world truly belongs to everyone, then it matters little whether my neighbor was born in my country or elsewhere. Real and lasting peace will only be possible on the basis of a global ethics of solidarity in the service of a future shaped by interdependence and shared responsibility in the whole human family.